The International Neuromodulation Society Congress really stands apart from other events in terms of pain medicine and neuromodulation because it really brings together the brightest minds from all over the world and is an excellent opportunity to develop collaborations in terms of clinical care and also research and also mentorship to help those members and attendees really further their careers.
What is unique to the International Neuromodulation Society meetings is that they combine within a dedicated field of neuromodulation, preclinical research, and translate it to clinical trials. There is a translational approach, and we also see the latest developments, both preclinically, the latest trials that have been done mechanistically, and in patients, the latest development with regards to novel devices that have been developed or novel treatment strategies that are developed.
The IMS Congress will be attractive for all the different experts in the field. There will be healthcare professionals, clinicians, doctors, and also researchers. And since there's no clear separation between clinicians and researchers, many clinicians are researchers as well, and vice versa. So we will have a unique opportunity to have a platform for all of them.